Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In this video, we are going to learn about the forgot password. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the last video, we have discussed register, login and get logged in user. Okay. Then the forgot password. Let's register a one user. So this is the registration. So here I'm going to add the email. So let's add any of the email. Might let me add let me check with my email or mailinator. We can temp mail, we can check it. Okay, let's have a look of that one. So I'm going to log in with the temp mail. Okay, so temporary mails, I think mailinator has some of the issues, so I'm not going to use that one. So here we'll get the temporary email. Let's copy this and let's use this. Okay, in the registration. So I'm going to use this in the registration. I receive the token. Let's forget the password. Okay, so I registered this account. What would be the routes? Let's have a look of the routes also. So here we have go with the forget password. Let's go to the forget password, which require the email in the body. So let's go and add the email in the body. So body, make a post request, I suppose, and raw JSON. Here we require the email. So let's add the email. Okay, and here we have to add our email. So whatever we have to copy it, let's add it over here. So you have to change the routes also. So here we have the forget password. Let's make the route with forget password. Okay, let's try to send. Okay, so here we go with this one. Email sent. Let's have a look. We receive anything? Yeah, Rajnikant password reset token. So here you can see that this is password reset token. Hello world. Okay, I think the rest of the things are not coming. Okay, so this is forgot password. The mail is triggered. Okay, so let's have a look on the code level. Forgot password. Okay, so here we have to, if the we get the request body dot email, then if it is not, then there is a no email with user. If it is there, then we are going to use get reset password token. Okay, user dot save validate before save. Okay, so here we have the request.get host with this. Okay, and the message is that one. Then we are going to send with this one with the message. Okay, and success with the email sent, but I'm not getting the full message over there, but I don't know why. I'm not getting the full-fledged response. Shall we try with the Gmail, I suppose, because it says hello world, but because I'm not adding the hello world over here. Password reset token is there in the forgot password. Get password token, that which will be given in the users. Okay, get password token with crypto, and this is for hash token, and set the reset password token in the field. Okay, this is for that one, get password token. If I go and check, let's have a look. Users. Okay, and here you can see that the password reset password expire and reset password token is also set. Okay, which is here you can see that the sign in methods. Okay, which is doing this one. And user dot save validate before save, and then reset password is gonna be sent. But let's have a look of that one for the my original email. Okay, so I'm going to put my email here, and let's log in with email 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Let's try to send this. Okay, email sent. Let's log in to my account. So let's go with the Gmail. Okay, sign in. Let's verify. Gmail, password reset token. It's not coming the password reset token properly. Let's have a look. Send email. Let's check the send email function. This is that one. Options HTML. So here I think it is coming but not the full-fledged record. Let's edit this email template. Okay, I think there is an issue in that one. Okay, so the HTML, what we're going process.env from name, this one. So when we try to send this, send email, we are sending, send mail function is there. Then options dot email. Okay, we have the options parameter, options, right? Options dot subject, options dot message, plain text body. And in the HTML, subject is okay but the message is not okay. If I go with the message like this, let's have a look. Let's remove this and let's, okay, sorry, let's remove whole one and let's add this options dot message. Okay, let's have a look. Right, let's restart this. Clear. Okay, let's try to send it with this account. Control Z. Okay, let's try to send this again. Email sent. Let's have a look back. Password reset token. Now here we have receiving that one. Okay, so this is the please make a put request. Okay, so this is the password reset token. Where we are going to reset the password in the next video. Okay, so if I go and just check with my this one, reset password would be the next video. This is the forget password which is done and the email is going properly, but we haven't discussed the code base, right? So let's discuss that one. So this is the code base. Okay, so this is the function that is forget password. We have discussed this one, message. Okay, the protocol. If you want to give it a link, then you can make a link also. Okay, with the link with that one. Okay, so this is returning with the pass after the email is sent. If something goes wrong, then we will reset it with undefined. Okay, and then validate before save. And we say that the email could not be sent if something goes wrong with your SMTP credentials, right? So this is done. Let's go to the send email, which is the node mailer. Basically, if you know how to send the email, if you don't know, then you have to install the node mailer package, then you have to configure this one. This is in the documentation for the node mailer. So transporter and create transports with host, that is smtp.gmail. I'm using their port, their authentication with the email and the password. Okay, whatever the message, this is the object that we have to send with from name. Okay, that we get it from the process.env. Then options email, subject message. Okay, then transporter dot send mail, it will send the mail and then log that with the message id, then exports that send mail. Okay, so this is how we are able to do with the forget password. In the next video we will do the reset password. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.